Alright, here's a tutorial on how to take the safety switch off the front brake lever on a Tao Tao little Chinese 125 or whatever. So first you're gonna rip the switch out. You can just pull on it. You just rip it out of there. And then you wanna follow the wire. I already got mine disconnected. But you just want to follow the wire. And then you can see here. Get a light. You can cut the end off that wire right there and put another one of these crimp fittings in like I did. And just connect the two. See right there? That blue connection. You just connect those two wires. And now to start without holding the lever. So, just a quick tip. That's all I got now. Bye.